From raw material to finished luxury, witness the artistry, each strand transformed by skilled hands and advanced technology.
This is one of the world's largest hair wig factories, a hub of global man. At sunrise, its operations are already in full swing.
Morning. Busy day ahead?
Yeah, lots of orders waiting.
Through the gate. Let's go.
Right behind you.
These raw human hair sacks are arriving at the factory for processing.
Let's check quality of the hair inside.
These are raw hair bundles, secured with rubber bands, ready for the next stage of production. Each bundle is inspected for quality and consistency. Welcome to our wig hair factory, where premium human hair bundles are meticulously stored, sourced globally to ensure the highest quality and consistency. Workers carry heavy bags of raw hair, a vital step in the wig making unwieldy, demanding great physical effort. Here we have straight hair, known for its silky, smooth flow. Next, in soft, natural undulations. Here we have straight hair, known for its silky, smooth flow. Next, in soft, natural undulations. The process begins by separating long and short strands. With precise movements, the worker sorts the hair by length. Each strand is placed with care.
First, I align the ruler with the hair base. Then, I check the length against the markings.
Here, damaged strands are carefully removed from the hair bundle. Using tweezers ensures only the compromised strands are targeted.
Look at this raw hair. The texture is silky, no impurities. Under this light, the quality is clear, perfect for premium wigs.
In the factory, workers in gloves sort raw hair bundles. They inspect and align each strand with precision.
This is the weighing station. We ensure each bundle is precise. This bundle is exactly 25 grams, perfect for our wigs.
Welcome to our wig factory storage. These shelves hold thousands of premium hair labeled and ready. Industrial lights ensure quality, while our organization streamlines the process. Observe the fine texture and natural flow of this wig hair, crafted with precision in our factory. In the factory, hair bundles are washed in large industrial tanks. Mechanical arms agitate the hair, creating foam and vigorous water splashes. Hair bundles in slow motion, transforming raw materials into luxurious products. Here, workers stir hair in a cleaning solution. This removes impurities, preparing it for wig production. Inside this chamber, steam penetrates every strand, ensuring a deep, the vapes throughout the hair. Here, water drains from the washed hair bundles after cleaning. This ensures the hair is clean and ready for processing. Here, rows of wet hair hang to dry in the factory. This controlled process ensures the hair maintains its quality. In our wig hair factory, this industrial blow-drying system processes powerful hot air jets. This ensures the hair is perfectly dried for the next stage.
We comb wet hair carefully to prevent damage. This ensures the strands stay smooth and strong.
Here, robotic arms align each hair strand to perfection. This ensures uniform quality for every wig produced. Observe the smooth, aligned strands of this wig hair. Each fiber is precisely placed, creating a flawless, silky texture.
First, scoop a generous amount of the conditioning treatment. Apply it from the mid-lengths to the ends. Work it through to evenly coat the hair.
Apply the conditioner to the damp wig hair, working it through from roots to tips. The steam helps activate the product, deeply nourishing the hair.
Gently pulling a strand to test its strength. See, it stretches but doesn't break. This wig is durable.
These are our drying racks for wig hair. The warm air gently dries them, preserving their quality.
Final clean, shiny hair bundles, ready for the next stage in wig hair.
Dip the hair into the solution. Stir it around gently. Now, lift it out to drain. I'm applying the blonde dye to the wig bundles, using even strokes to ensure full coverage. See how it transforms the color?
Apply the dye from roots to ends. Use steady downward strokes for even coverage. Repeat until the strands are fully saturated.
First, section the hair and apply dye from mid-lengths to ends. Use even strokes to spread the color. Now, blend the dye for a smooth gradient.
First, wrap the hair around the barrel. Hold to let the steam set the curl. Then, release to see the perfect curl. In slow motion, watch the curl form as steam rises from the heated section. The hair transforms into a perfect, bouncy curl.
First, take a small section of the wig hair. Then, glide the flat iron down smoothly. This gives it a silky finish.
Experience the silky shine and natural flow of this premium straight wig. Its glossy texture and smooth movement are simply irresistible.
Let's add some dimension with a lighter brown. Now, apply red to the tips for a vibrant pop, and blend for a seamless transition.
Rinse the wig under cool running water, working from roots to tips to remove excess dye. Continue until the water runs clear. These are rows of wet, colored hair strands from a wig. The vibrant colors and glossy texture create a striking visual effect. Testing color consistency on this wig hair under white inspection light. Sweeping the light shows uniform, consistent color with no variations.
Let's see how this matches the wig. The base is good, but the highlights need adjusting. This one is closer.
Ultra-detailed, silky, curly hair bundles with natural sheen and bouncy texture. Experience the premium quality and versatile styling of these hair bundles.
Let's do the final inspection. The color is vibrant and even throughout. Texture feels natural with great movement. This wig is ready. Place the lace roll on the table next to the wig. Align it carefully for your project. Observe the intricate lace material texture of this wig, with its fine details and natural hair flow.
Now, I'll cut the lace to shape the wig cap.
Use sharp scissors for a clean edge. Follow the hairline.
Align the hair along the cap's edge. Guide the fabric under the needle. Stitch slowly for a secure seam. Hold the elastic band inside the wig cap. Stretch it along the edge and secure with the hair. Loop and tuck to attach.
Align the strap with the wig's edge. Insert the left end into the loop. Now secure the right side. First, select a strand and insert the needle through the lace base. Pull the strand through to create a loop. Then, tie the knot securely.
We're marking the high-density areas on the lace cap wig. This ensures a natural look in the final style.
Let's check the lace transparency. I'll lift the hair to the light. See how it becomes see-through? That's a good natural look.
First, pick up a finished wig cap. Place it neatly in the center. Repeat, stacking each cap carefully, a perfect stack. To measure the cap size, place the tape at the front hairline. Wrap it around, keeping it snug, and read the measurement. Let's test the elasticity of this wig cap. I'm stretching the band inside the cap. See how it stretches and returns to shape.
First, comb the hair gently to detangle it. Next, adjust the lace base to lay flat.
Place the 360 lace cap on the wig hair. Align the front and smooth it down evenly.
The mesh base is perfectly aligned. Now for the hair. The strands are smooth, no split ends, excellent quality.
The worker carefully knots a single strand of hair into the lace base. This delicate process is repeated thousands of times to create a wig.
Insert the needle through the lace hole. Hook the hair strands and pull them through. Gently secure the knot.
In slow motion, we'll ventilate the wig hair. Use your fingers to gently lift and separate the strands. This adds volume.
To create a natural hairline, we use a tool to tie individual hairs into the base. This precision makes the hairline undetectable. We'll add some fine baby hairs to the front for a natural look. Using the crochet hook, pull the strand through the lace base.
Insert the needle through the lace base. Hook the strand and pull it through. Secure the knot. We begin by slowly filling the lace base with hair strands. In a time lapse, watch as the strands quickly build up. Insert the hook, pull the strand through the cap. Twist and secure the knot tightly. Repeat for density. Checking the knot tightness on this wig hair. See how the strands are pulled tight through the base? This ensures durability.
Align the weft edge with the cap. Guide it steadily under the needle. This ensures a secure hold.
The machine stitches the hair tracks onto the cap base. This ensures a secure and even attachment for the wig. Observe the thick density of this wig base and the realistic hair strands. The fine weave base ensures a secure and natural-looking foundation.
This is 150% density, a medium full look, and here's 180% density. It's much fuller and thicker. Start at the crown and sweep the hair down and out. Use your fingers to guide the strands for a natural fall. First, check the density. Look for any loose or uneven sections. Next, inspect the parting. It must be straight and clean.
First, place the wig on the mannequin head and smooth the front. Now, gently comb through the hair to style it. This prepares it for a natural look.
We're trimming this wig into a chic bob cut. Section the hair and cut straight across. This gives a clean, modern shape.
Starting with the back, creating long layers for natural movement. Blending the sides, maintaining the length for volume, and the final layers.
Take a 1-inch section and wrap it around the barrel. Hold for a few seconds, then release for a soft, loose wave.
Start by clamping the flat iron near the roots. Glide down steadily to the tips for a smooth finish. Repeat for a sleek, straight look.
This shine mist is perfect for adding that final glow to a finished wig. A few quick sprays and a gentle comb through give it a silky shine.
First, mix your powder and developer to a thick paste. Apply it directly to the knots on the lace. This bleaches them invisible.
Gently rinse the finished wig under cool water. Use your fingers to separate the strands and remove any residue. The water flows slowly over the styled wig, following the curves each strand. You can see the hair becoming saturated, transforming its texture.
Start at the roots and wrap the hair around the brush. Use the dryer on medium heat, pulling down steadily. The hair moves so naturally, like real hair in the wind. It's lightweight and flows beautifully. First, use the rat tail comb to part the hair on the side. Now, use your fingers to smooth the hair and define the part. Use the tail of the comb to define the middle part. Comb through from front to back, keeping the pressure even. First, we'll backcomb the crown for volume. Use the comb to tease the roots, smooth the top, and shape the layers. And here's the final reveal of this stunning finished wig. Look at luxurious volume and the flawless waves, a true masterpiece. I'm doing a gentle shedding test on this wig. I pull a few strands slowly, and as you can see, very little hair comes out. Let's check for tangles. Combing from the ends up, this section looks clear. Checking the next part.
Let's measure the wig length from root to tip. Pull the tape straight down. The length is 24 inches.
Let's check the transparency against my skin tone. The lace blends right in. It's a great match. This will look so natural.
The hair has a beautiful sheen under this light. The texture is smooth and silky, no tangles. The hairline is natural and well ventilated.
Gather the hair carefully toward the center. Now, fold the wig in half lengthwise. Slide it into the protective net and tuck it in.
Gently lower the wig into the box. Now, arrange the strands neatly inside. First, fill out the tag with the product details. Next, peel and apply the shipping label securely.
Okay, packing the wig boxes into the export carton now. Handling these carefully to protect the wig hair. Good, now to seal the carton.
These cartons are meticulously organized, ready for immediate shipping to their destinations. Our logistics ensure timely delivery. In this wig factory warehouse, stacks of sealed cartons await export. Workers and machines move with precision to meet global demand.
All right, this one's heavy. Ready? Yeah, got it. Keep them coming. On it.
Stacking the branded wig boxes inside the truck. The company logo is clearly visible on each box. The truck doors close firmly, their metallic echo reverberating through the industrial dusk. At sunset, a large cargo truck slowly departs the wig factory, its journey a testament to the seamless flow of industrial logistics. A global journey unfolds, carrying the promise of tomorrow across vast horizons. From raw hair to a luxury wig, the journey comes to an end here, and now these products are on their way to customers around the world.